In this video, I'll show you how to view Instagram stories. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the notification for lots of educational guides and contents like this. Now, what you're going to do if you want to view Instagram stories, you're going to head over to your Instagram, right? You're going to click on this home. You can see once this has refreshed, right? You can see there are a whole lot of Instagram stories here for me to view. This is Fusayo Fusodo, this Kai Senat, is educate. So let me say I'm gonna click on Fusayo Fusodo. Exactly. So you can see he's sharing his thoughts. I think something incredible. So there's a whole lot of. So you can see I'm basically viewing these Instagram stories, right? So this is basically how you can view Instagram stories. If you found this video helpful, please ensure you share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through. I'll see you in the next one.